Hi everybody, welcome to Kono Pro. This is how you build a shelf. Cut your shelf to the width and length that you want. Cut your trim pieces with the 45-degree cut on outside. Cut trim piece with the square cut at the end that goes against wall. Then glue and nail to the left side of your shelf. This is optional, you don't have to do this. If you just want to put the shelf up with no trim piece, you can. This just makes it look a little nicer, gives it some detail. So you can nail it on with a 18 gauge or 16 gauge brad nail gun. Then we install our front piece. We just mark from side to side and cut a 45-degree miter joint from outside corner to outside corner. Then we glue and install once we dry fit and get our right side piece ready to go. Now we apply glue and then we're going to nail the face to the shelf. Now we're going to install our right side trim piece on the shelf. Remember to add glue, it helps the shelf last a long time. Now we're applying wood putty, wood filler to all the nail holes. Lightly sand all the wood filler and shelf is ready for install. Install shelf with angle brackets against the wall. Make sure brackets are screwed into the framing in the wall. Apply a stain or paint, whatever finish you'd like. What we are doing is doing a distressed, shabby chic vintage look. So if you're doing this, apply the stain, go crazy. Then we wipe down with a rag to blend in the stain. Then we apply a white primer for some color to give it that vintage, aged, distressed look. You want to blend in your colors so they look like they've been there for a long time. Then sand everything with a 220 grit sandpaper to blend everything in even further. Then you can distress it as you'd like to give it the finish that you want. Then apply a clear coat to preserve the stain and the colors on the shelf and preserve the shelf. You can use a satin, a matte finish, a semi-gloss, or gloss finish. This is a crystal clear spirathane and it dries within 30 minutes, so that way you can put multiple coats on within one day to achieve the finish that you like in one day. After you apply 2 coats of your clear coat, use 400 grit sandpaper to go over the shelf with the sandpaper. Lightly scuff it up and then wipe off with a rag. Then apply your final coats of your crystal clear spirathane clear coat to achieve the finish you want. You can apply multiple coats, you can sand in between to get a more finished look. Once you finish your clear coat, if it dries and you run your hand over it and you feel any imperfections, you can go ahead and knock it down one more time with 400 grit and then hit it with some clear coat again, and it'll get smoother and smoother as you do that. And once you achieve the finish you want, you're good to go. And there it is. That's how you build a shelf, stain a shelf, and seal a shelf. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like.